Hello everyone, Providence Pack Openers back again. More Series 2 here. This time we were lucky enough to find 2 hanger boxes from Walgreens. So those have that exclusive yellow border card inside. Obviously looking for Luis Roberts still, most valuable card in there. And for the fun of it, we decided to pick up one more blaster box from Walmart. So let's open that one first. Whoop. So, in here, obviously, we get those medallion cards, those commemorative medallions. So, we'll see who we got for that.
Hopefully it's actually straight this time.
Oh, Nolan Arenado. All right. There we go. Rockies.
Hey, it looks straight, and it doesn't look like there's a cut on it.
Yeah. So, there we go. That's cool. Get into these packs. See if maybe we can get a short print this time. We haven't pulled any short prints yet. Cave, Margot, Kano, Stroman, Martin Perez. I can already see we got a
Gold.
Yeah, a gold card there. Victor Reyes, Luis Severino. Oh, and Xander Bogaerts. That's one we like. So, numbered out of 2020. And we got number 33, huh? Strasburg Turkey Red. And we got a Strasburg base card to finish it out.
Are you going to take those 2 out?
I guess. Oh, these, yeah. Yeah, that Bogaerts is nice. Nice gold card. Let's see if there's anything better to come. Let's see, Dobnak, Keller, Danny Mendick, the White Sox rookie.
Does it say RC on it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nunez, Justin Upton, Anthony Descalfini, Padres team card. This time we got Clayton Kershaw, Decade's Best insert, and Reggie Jackson, Turkey Red, Blackman, and Webb. So, it was Decade. Oh, it was Kershaw. All right, let's see.
That's a funny face.
All right, yeah, the pitchers always have funny faces. Kella Zimmerman, Stewart, Escobar, Camp Bomba Brothers. Three's Company. Oh, we got a Turkey Red Chrome card. Matt Tice, rookie. Pete Alonso, insert. Making the cut. And Davis, Freeland, Ruiz. All right. Nice Turkey Red Chrome insert. All right. And today is opening day for most of the league. Yesterday was opening day officially. We got Kyle Garlick, Vasquez, John Birdie. Yeah, we got games starting. Oh, there's the regular Bogaerts. About an hour here. Nothing on yet. Diaz. Ken Griffey, 35th anniversary insert. Turkey Red. Willie Mays. Obviously one of those in every pack. And Pujols and Shed Long. Alright. So far, no Luis Robert in these packs. We'll see if we can pull another one.
Just green.
Fraley, Waka, Hudson, Zook, Justice Sheffield, Pat DeYoung, D. Gordon, Harrison Bader, Byron Buxton, Hampson. Oh, wow. Why are we getting a lot of Bogaerts, huh? It's the third one. Another base one. And then Yuli Gurriel.
You have 3 bases of him?
This profile looks a little faded. Yeah, and yeah. So they're putting doubles in these blaster boxes. Usually you don't get the same card twice, but yeah, I just got that Bogarts in the last pack right there.
That's lame.
I got 2 of them and his gold parallel. They're loving Bogarts in this box. And good as a Red Sox fan. I like the gold parallel one. That was cool. All right. Pablo Lopez, Cespedes. Yes, making the slide and catch. They got some nice pictures on these cards. Norris, Tanner Rourke, Brian Reynolds.
What's that?
It's the inaugural season. They got a new stadium this year, so they put it on all the Rangers cards in Series 2. All right, we got Willie Mays. It looks like a blue parallel, maybe. Oh, maybe
it's just the color?
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know,
Blue
because this
border.
one's different.
Yeah, the blue border, but it's not numbered. No, I don't know. But yeah, it's definitely a variation. Catfish Hunter. We got a Pete
Man, you got a lot of
Alonso.
stuff in this one. You got 4.
And Joe Mauer, Mark Melanson, Howie Kendrick. Yeah. Yeah, I'll have to look on the package. Tells you the odds there. Not sure what the blue decade's best blue 1 in 104. Huh? I guess they're just not numbered though. Definitely a insert. All right. Luplow. Phillips, Freddie Galvis, Will Smith, Michael Kopech, Homer Bailey, Eovaldi. He's, I believe he's pitching for the Red Sox tonight. Donaldson, Philly Special. We got a Threes Company Rainbow Foil. Dahl. We got Rojas and Jansen. So, no Luis Roberts in there. We have not found Luis Robert in 3 blaster boxes now. So.
But you found him, I thought.
No, but that was in the jumbo hobby pack.
Oh.
Not in the blaster. We opened 2 other blaster boxes and could not find Luis Robert. So hopefully we are looking for Luis Robert in these. Maybe I should have opened it from the top. I thought it'd be easier from the bottom. So we will see. We are looking for the yellow border. Hopefully they're yellow border exclusives in these Walgreens hanger boxes. Can't even get this packaging off. Nice. All right, first card flipped over. Colorado Rockies. Cool. All right, Simmons.
Oh, is this gonna be another one of those ones that they randomly are flipped over?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Josh Hader. Yeah, I don't know why these are. Yeah, Royals. Let's see. Roll reverse. Oh my God. Yeah, I guess they're all.
It's like every couple.
Yeah, flipped over. That's kind of annoying.
Nothing special.
No, these are all just the base card.
Oh, it's every other, I think, actually.
Yeah. Now we gotta flip them all over. Yeah, that's annoying.
Future stars.
Lopez.
Oh, it's the same. You got that one.
Yep. Cespedes making the sliding catch again. Norris. Strasburg. Blackman. I know. Why they really just, I don't know, threw these all in here, all mixed every which way. Profar. New York State of Mind. Yu Darvish. Mike Franco. Ender Inciarte. Dexter Fowler. Oh, man. flipping all of these around. Byron Buxton, Garrett Hampson, Eddie Rosario, Eovaldi, Donaldson, Philly Special. Alright, Ottavino, Future Stars, Carter Kaiboom, Diaz, Griffin Canning. Let's see. Sheffield, DeYoung, D. Gordon, Brian Reynolds, Minor.
They got like nothing in them.
Yeah, I don't know. Brian Reynolds, Kramer, Minor, Galvis, Chatwood, Warriors of the Diamond, Jose Canseco. Yeah.
I'm gonna put those two off to the side.
Yeah. There's no yellow cards though.
Are they supposed to be in there in every
Yeah.
pack?
Yeah. Unless somebody like put different packs in these, returned them. Supposed to be yellow cards in here.
What are the odds? Like 1 to 1? Like
I don't know. Didn't. I don't know. I'm saying the way it was glued on the bottom like that.
Can you return it?
I don't know.
You wouldn't have been able to open it that nice.
I don't know. Usually these cards, I feel like, have more inserts in them. Seems weird. It seems like it's, I don't know. I have to see. There's like a thing if you open this one. Yeah, look at this.
Seems weird.
Yeah, that's not right. Where are the... Well, we'll see about that one. No, don't. Yeah, they say don't touch that. I'm gonna take this back and show them, because look at that. That's clearly, this has been opened and somebody already searched these. There's no yellow cards. I'm bringing this one right back. So
Oh shoot, you shouldn't have stacked the other ones on that.
I'm taking them out. So yeah, somebody, and you can see down there, see how it's bottom of the box is wet. Somebody opened the bottom. So I'm saying, you can tell, yeah, this corner was creased where they opened it. You can see the glue on the edge.
I just creased it.
But you can clearly see this. This pack was opened. These were searched, so somebody brought this back. I'm gonna take this back to Walgreens. So